For 50 years, the GTI badge has represented performance and driving passion. Now, Volkswagen introduces the ID, Polo GTI, bringing that heritage into the electric era. This is a genuine performance car. Its electric motor produces 166 kilowatts, or 226 horsepower, with 290 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes 6.8 seconds. The 52 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 424 kilometers of range per WLTP charge cycle. DC rapid charging at 105 kilowatts replenishes the battery from 10 to 80% in approximately 24 minutes. Beyond the numbers, the ID, Polo GTI packs serious technology. An electronically controlled differential keeps power distributed, while adaptive DCC suspension and progressive steering refine the chassis. Volkswagen's IQ Light LED matrix headlights deliver intelligent illumination. Then there's the standout, a dedicated GTI drive mode. Press the button on the steering wheel, and the entire car recalibrates. Power delivery sharpens, suspension firms, steering weights up, everything works in harmony. At just over 4 meters long, the ID, Polo GTI proves that electric performance need not compromise on the essentials. The GTI promise thrilling, responsive, and genuinely accessible is fully alive.